Here's Zoe at the beach. She's eating sand. Hi, Zoe. We're sitting in a little shady spot. Here's the ocean. Here's Daddy. Hi. And here's Zoe. Here's her little sun tent. And now she's been eating sand. There she goes. She likes playing with it. There she goes. She thinks it's tasty. It's a little bit like cream of wheat.